right, YouTube. Hopefully it's better now. Oh shit. No.
I'm off her butt all night, so yeah, let me get in for a minute. I'm thinking the way that the wheels been spinning, I'm going against first in a couple of inches, but yeah, she flooded the engine and that's that 2-seat. That fumble brewski, stay loose, she off the truly, and I told that rock, but that ain't no excuse. She thinks that's bougie.
It's better now, YouTube.
Like brewski and that booze, you can't expect nothing but truth. I just be fumbling on you. I can't find the words to say what I want to. What we got is
Yeah. Yeah, my Wi-Fi must be slow today. Good morning, Casper. Morning, Alex. Dear Magisha. Morning. Looks better now, alright. You're welcome. London opens in 30 minutes. I don't know, maybe it's YouTube. Because it wasn't doing that all this time until today. But then again, it could be my internet, because I don't know. Right now, we just chill. Wait for London open. Let me see if we can get any trade in. Look, gold is very tricky right now, because even though we have this freaking breakups, well, 1 hour minor low breakup structure here, this demand is still holding. We did not close below it. So gold is very tricky right now. So you can see this demand is still holding. Now we have this bullish candle, this one with this freaking long bottom wick. That's a rejection here at this bottom, grabbing liquidity below this low, below this minor support. Now what does that mean? That could mean that we could actually be trying to push back up. At the same time, you also have this freaking candle that closed doji. So you get a rejection at the bottom, and now you get a rejection at the top that is still rejecting this support here to the left. So the gold is very, very, very tricky right now, but I'm choosing to stick with the sells for now because of the breakout structure we have here on the 1 hour time frame. Because before we had this bearish candle that eventually closed below this minor support, we actually had this previous bearish candle on the 1 hour that rejected the 1 hour demand. But what did we do after that? Instead of us to actually start pushing up from there, we actually did not. We came back down and then broke the previous minor support. That's why I'm going with this 1 hour minor low breakout structure there and just anticipating the sales, even though we actually still did not close below the demand. So it's good is at a it's very, very tricky right now. So we're gonna have to be very, very, very careful. Okay. And you might be wondering, but wait, are we not bullish overall on the higher time frame? Yeah, we are bullish overall on the higher time frame, but now looks like we having a bearish momentum here based off the 1 hour as of right now. And what I see right now, because of the fact that we broke this minor low at 23.22, what that's telling me right now, what I see as of right now is that we formed this high at the top, then we formed this low, formed this high, and then now we broke this low. So right now we've broken this low, so now we're breaking lows, we are not breaking highs. Therefore I need something like this and then take the sell, because that's what the market is printing right now. Lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, high. That's what we're creating. So I'm just waiting for us to pull back, create a lower high, and then we look for sells from there. I'm playing CSGO in the background. CSGO, who is that? I don't know who CSGO is. Is that an artist name? Oh, you're being funny, Janice. When I pronounce your name, sometimes I be feeling like I didn't pronounce it well enough. What about GJ? We don't trade GJ over here. Sorry to disappoint you.
Hey baby, tell me all your reasons for you leaving. Yeah, I kinda feel betrayed, this feel like treason. You ain't room for the whole team, it's my season. Switching out the blue now, while I've been greening. Oh, you can stand now, I stand now. I got all these people on me, I'm the man now. Like why you hit that? Hey girl, I made that. So I'ma need some other reasons for the take back. Oh, you gon' need some other reasons. You gon' need some other motherfucking reasons.
How's your weekend, guys? YouTube. Yeah, Nicholas. I don't trade GJ anymore. December 22nd last year was my last day trading GJ. No, wait, did you the last day, our last trading day yesterday, did you trade GJ, guys?
Yes. Did you say yesterday?
No, I said our last trading day last year. Did we trade GJ?
Oh,
I don't think we did.
I don't think so. Yeah,
I
I
don't
don't think
think.
so.
Yeah, I don't think we got any setup for GJ. Why did I leave GJ? No, I didn't leave GJ. I ran away from GJ. I took my shoes off and I ran from GJ. There's a difference between living and running. Two different things. You know, when you're running away from something, there'll be a difference in your speed. It's all gonna depend on whether you're running with your shoes on or you're running without your shoes on. When you run without your shoes on, you run faster. You run slower with your shoes on.
You better speak for yourself there, Abe. I run way faster with shoes on.
Oh man, you tripping. You need to run without your shoes on.
I remember I tried running with those bare feet kind of shoes, you know, the ones that barely got any cushioning in them.
Mm-hmm.
And man, they fucked up my feet. Like after the next day, I was like, oh shit, my feet are wrecked. God.
Yeah. See, that's how we used to run in Africa growing up. We run without our shoes on.
Oh, you got that strength built up into the soles of your feet.
Yeah, we run without our shoes on. And I remember when I was in high school, if I want to fight, I fight without my shoes on.
Yeah.
I fight without my shoes on.
You heard that, boys? If he takes his shoes off, you run. He's serious.
No, because in high school then it was a street fight. So street fight, I don't like to have my shoes on. I'm taking them off. When will I visit Nigeria? Sometime this year, because I think, when was it? I think January. I think the first day back, I told you guys I applied for my United States citizenship. So I get my passport, I'm gonna start traveling. Hopefully I won't have to do it more than once. So I get my passport. I definitely will visit this year. Bahamas? No, I'm gonna go to Africa first before I go anywhere else. In fact, my plan is when I go, my plan is to go to 3 African countries before I come back to the States. It's gonna be Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and then I'll come back here. That's my plan. It's gonna be at least a 1 month trip. Wait, no, it's not gonna be like almost 2 months. So 2 weeks Nigeria, 2 weeks Ghana, 2 weeks South Africa, and then back here. Here in South Africa, you'll see what load shedding is all about and how the government turns off your power to save money on their behalf. Oh, they turn the power off in South Africa? I thought you guys have electricity 24 hours. Do I know what a pose is? No, Matthew, I don't know what you mean. What? It's like Nigeria and South Africa too? They cut the power too? Oh wow. Since when? When did South Africa start doing that? I thought you guys used to have electricity like 24/7. So they turn it off for 2 to 4 hours because of coal mining. Man, they need to fix that. They need to fix that. I'm sure they have reliable internet service. See, I'm sure their internet is better than Nigeria's internet. I can proudly say in the whole entire African continent, South Africa is the most developed one. That's why like the South Africans that I've met here, I used to tell them, look, you guys just need to be freaking grateful to Mandela, because he allowed the white people to stay, and then because of that, South Africa was able to develop at a very rapid pace. Other African countries were like, nope, hey, we got our independence, now go back to where you came from. So, other African countries are developed too, but the whole entire African continent, South Africa, is the most developed. No doubt. Egypt, Algeria, well, yeah, they developed too, but like you can't deny that South Africa is the most developed. Yep, they still have villages and all that stuff. They still have, water issues, road issues, just like every other places. But it's still the most developed one. No trading. Well, they still trade. The only way to change it is to change the government, man. That's all we all wish. African continent would be better if not for the freaking greedy government. All they care about is their pockets. Nigeria needs me back home. What do you think they need me for, Anton? $1 is 19 times more in South Africa. Man, that's even better. Do you know how much a dollar is in Nigeria? Shit, someone that's from Nigeria in YouTube, let Jan know how much a dollar is in Nigerian currency. United States are tired of me. No, they're not. They love me here. I'm loved. And I love this country too. What? It's 1300 now? No. Are you for real, Kai? $1 is 1,300 now? You gotta be kidding me. That's insane. You say that shit is bullish for life. Oh man. Damn, you just said it's 1,400. What the fuck? That's insane. That's just crazy. Wow. If I want to be selfish, I should be happy as hell. In fact, I should be praying that shit need to keep going up. But hey, I'm still Nigerian, even though I don't live there, but because that's no good for the economy. Damn. But I won't be selfish. You just sent 2 hours ago. Yeah, I did. I sent money to Nigeria. What's today? Today is Monday. On Wednesday, just last week. And the exchange rate was exactly 1,000. So I thought it was still 1,000. Yeah, because when I did it, it said $1 was $1,000. Wow. 891 according to Google. Yeah, they never get it right. Except if Google is using the bank rate. So you guys must be talking about the black market rate. So maybe 891 is the bank rate. I got cheated? Possibly. And I use this app called World Remit. Let me see. Yep. The app I used to send the money to Nigeria is called World Remit. You said no wonder. I mean, that was the one they told me to use, so then I downloaded it. You use Ace. Is Ace available here in the US? Because I know you're in Dublin. Let me see. Is Ace available in the state? Let me see. Ace. Oh, I see it. Ace money transfer. Can you send USD or just What remit rate is good, but shit, damn it, they cheated me. If the exchange rate was 1300 or 1400, they said it was 1000, so they cheated me. Oh, I'll probably start using Ace then. I actually need to send another one, so I'll probably use them. I'll try out Ace.
She call me baby. One touch, shining luck, she look amazing. I've been playing games with you, oh yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh. Finish cash, shorty bad. I've been too numb to understand what I'm doing in the man. I be coming, yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh yeah. I've been playing games with you, oh.
Yeah, you did. You know, when I was gonna send it, that was what they told me to use, so I just use World Remit. So I don't think they know either. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that between Ace and World Remit. Yeah. If it's more than World Remit, then I'll go with Ace. But World Remit is very, I mean, yeah, World Remit is actually very fast. So that's gonna be another thing for me to decide on. Is it fast? Is Ace fast? Like they get it in a few minutes? Because with World Remit, you send it directly to the receiver's bank account. Is that the same thing with Ace? And how long does it take? Very fast. Okay. Well, London opens in 3 minutes, yeah? Let's see what happens. Let's get to 100 likes real quick, guys. 100 likes. So smash that like button as you guys are hopping on. Oh no, Dre, they don't I mean, I don't know, but they said you have to have a dollar account in order for you to receive the money in dollars. If you don't, then they will receive it in naira and then give them according to the bank's exchange rates. So I told them to make sure to get a dollar account so that that won't happen again.
It's cold outside, won't you just come in? I got you, forget them boys.
Oh, it's as fast as world image. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, damn, we only got 28 likes. Ooh. Man, what's going on? You guys don't like me? Only 28 likes and we got almost 160 people here. So what we simply seeing here with gold is we have an overall trend, a bullish structure, but we have a bearish momentum. So since that's what we have a bearish momentum, we need to ride with the momentum. Just like I always say, everything, if we're going to have a reversal or pullback, whatever you want to call it, trend change, whatever you want to call it, it all starts from the lower time frame. If you know how to trade the lower time frame, you can make shit ton of money. What's going on? Is Edwin in the chat today? He's quiet today. You good over there, Edwin? You're quiet. Did your girlfriend break your heart? Oh, you're still single? Okay. Good sell. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, but we got no setup yet as of right now. If someone, Edwin, Janice on YouTube said if someone is quiet, it means that they in drawdown. You in drawdown, Edwin? You suffering in silence over there? You watching from Kenya? Thank you for hopping on. Hey James, how you doing? Did you get my reply on Instagram? Damn, I didn't even check to see if you replied or not. Man, I'm not good with social media, man. I need to do better. Oh, okay.
You can see it, everyone can see it. I could be a Romeo, tell them boys back up. I ain't going nowhere, I'ma for that back up. Put it on your story so everyone can see it. Everyone can see it, yeah.
You're welcome, James. You don't really trust the 15 minutes up. Yeah, looking at the 30, that's why I said earlier in the beginning of the stream, I would rather like to see it with just the 30 minutes supply. It's at a very tricky spot right now, just because of this candle. That freaking candle. Oh, you passed. Oh, congratulations for passing 25K challenge. Nice. You're welcome. What are we looking at? I was just saying that gold is at a very tricky spot right now. I am looking for sales though. And the reason why I said it's at a very tricky spot is because of this candle, because this candle is a rejection candle. And the grab liquidity above this minor support right here. So it does not look good right now. So what I'm looking to do now is, if we start falling from here, I'm gonna wait for us to break this low right here. Once we break this low, then I'll wait for the pullback to ride itself down. Now, if we do not break this low though, I would like to see gold retest not even the 15, at least the 30 or even the 1 hour supply, and then I'll look for sales from there. So right now, I'm not liking gold as of right now because of this candle. This candle is just is screaming to me that we are going to push up. That's what this candle is telling me. I could be wrong, but with a candle like this, there is a higher possibility we are going to break these highs. And also, if we go to the 1 hour, we are yet to break this demand. Okay, we are yet to break below this demand, so there is a chance we are going to break this minor high and continue to push up. But I still see it falling. Will I take a buy? No, I'm not going to take a buy. I'm going to wait for the sales. So, and if we fail to break this minor high, I'm just going to wait for us to break, at least break and close below this demand, and even better if we close below this bottom bullish candle wick. Then I'll look for sales. So patience, guys. Patience. You think Asian highs might get swept first? Nah. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. If that was going to happen, we wouldn't have broken this minor support, not to talk of this 1 hour minor support. It would have done that before we started breaking it. So I don't see that happening. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna sweep the Asian highs before falling.
It's okay, at the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party, and it's about to go down. Ooh, put it on me, she my little pontoon shorty. On the way,
Do I trade while I take a vacation? Man, I'm telling you, I'm trading. As long as you got internet, I'm trading. And electricity, I am trading.
everyone looking like Xauusd, maybe off one in that two-piece. Walk the pit is my intentions, I could make it splash. What's the cost of risking it?
I might only trade one session though, just one, maybe London or New York, depending on the time zone of what the country I'm in. So instead of trading two sessions like I do now, London and New York, I might just trade one, maybe London or New York if I'm on vacation. Do I have a date set yet? No, not yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be around December period. That's the best time to visit Africa. In South Africa, London is 9 a.m., New York is 4 p.m. Oh, then if it's South Africa, then definitely it's gonna be London. Yeah, that's a perfect time for a London session over there for you guys. Except if you have a full-time job, and then you might have to trade New York. Oh yeah, definitely art. Dubai definitely is in my list for sure. Oh, I didn't know you were in Dubai. Oh, so we got two of you from Dubai on Zoom. Got you and Justin. Is Justin here? Oh yeah, Justin is here. Good morning, Douglas. In Pakistan, London start at 1, US 6 p.m. So London is better there too. What is, for me personally, more, you mean important strategy setup or psychology? Or both? Give me a second. We play this music. So you said what is, for me personally, more important strategy? You said strategy setup? I'll just go with your strategy. Strategy or psychology? Or both? So what I would say is, before you start looking for strategies here and there, you need to work on yourself. You need to discover who you are, because when you discover who you are, that's going to help you with your trading. All right, that's going to help you with your trading, and that's what's also going to help you with finding your edge, because even if you have a good strategy, you're still going to need to find your own edge, and finding your edge has to do with who you are. Okay, so you have to work on yourself, which is also your psychology. Then you can start working on a strategy. And once you find one, then you just got to keep using it. And that strategy is not going to work for you right away, because you have to keep using it in order for you to perfect it, in order for you to make it work for you. And that also includes finding your edge. You got to keep using it, doing it that way. That's what's going to help you with finding your own edge, and then you just keep it going. It's that simple. So if you ask me, psychology is more important than strategy. The psychology video I made on my YouTube, I said, dang, what did I say again? Damn, I just lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I remember. I said you can have a good strategy, or you can be a good trader, but if you have a messed up trading psychology, you are going to be a bad trader. Automatically, you will be a bad trader if your psychology is not there. No matter how good that strategy you're using, no matter how much you win, if your psychology is messed up, you're a bad trader automatically. So that's why I always preach, work on your psychology first, which is actually discovering who you are, and then you go on to the next phase. But we all know that even in this industry, we don't put a lot of emphasis when it comes to trading psychology. We don't. It's just this strategy, that strategy, stuff like that. That's what a lot of, Forex guru preach. And then they say, start with demo. Nope, do not start with demo. Don't do it. You start with demo, you are going to prolong your journey. You are going to prolong your journey. The fastest way to discover who you are in trading is starting with a live account. Not demo. Demo is not going to do shit. Don't start with demo. Even if it's $10 you can afford to lose, put it in the market. Deposit it. If it's 50, put it in there. 100, put it in there. Start with that. But if you want to start with demo, hey, by all means, you can do that. But based on my own experience, starting with demo is just going to prolong your journey. Let me ask you guys this question. How many times have you started with demo? Right? How many times have you take positions on a demo account and then you turn around and take the same setup? You did everything right, the same thing you did on that demo account, you did the same thing again on a live account, but you ended up losing. How many times has that happened to you? Good morning, Ashton. I'll give you one reason why that happened to you. Now, when you took that position on the demo account, even though you waited for the setup to happen, but when you took the trade, you didn't care. You just took that trade, you let it do its thing, and then you won the trade. But then when you took that same position live, it could be because it's the fact that you actually now spending real money, and maybe you wasn't a drawdown and you were not patient enough, you decided to get out of that trade. Or because now you're spending real money, you got greedy. You already won, but you got greedy and you let the trade keep going. You did not, use proper risk management. You did not manage the trade, and then you end up losing. So stuff like that is the reason why I don't preach starting with demo. I just preach starting with live account, because again, it's all because of psychology. It's just because of psychology. That's why I preach starting with live account, not demo. However little money you can afford to lose, then that's what you need to deposit in there. Yep, that too, Ashton, that too. Plays with your psychology, of course. And also, when it comes to trading psychology, no matter how hard you try, one thing that we cannot get rid of as traders is emotions. You cannot get rid of it. You can only limit it. That's all you can do. You can't get rid of it completely, because we humans, and as humans, even though some of us are not emotional, but once it comes to money, money, we are emotional about it. So emotions, you cannot get rid of it completely. Even though traders will say, oh, don't get emotional, that's a lie. You will get emotional. You just have to make sure you minimize it. And that's going to take experience. That's going to take experience. And the only way to do that, once again, is by trading live. You are not going to learn how to manage your emotions by trading demo. Nope, it's not going to happen. So, once again, LIVE, live account. That's what you need. In your experience with GJ, you need to have around 30 to 35 pips SL minimum. Depending on the time frame your entry is. Good morning. Am I trading New York session in VIP today? Absolutely. Monday to Friday. You would like to join? In fact, you'll be joining today. Okay, welcome in advance, Shan. You get cold feet, when the armpits. Your throat gets dry. Heart is pounding. Man, let me tell you, James. Was it James that said that? Man. So on Friday, we were going to take gold buys, but I just didn't like the gold setup. Right? After the setup came, I didn't like it. And then we decided to take US steady. Oh man. And that thing is volatile. Even though I had low risk, but man, I mean that's still US 30. So man, I had to go use the restroom, and I didn't want to come back. I'm like, man, I gotta freaking watch this while I'm sitting in the restroom here. I was getting frustrated. I was getting mad. Like, what the hell? But one thing that I did is that I managed my emotions. But if I didn't, I would have closed out that trade. Probably would have closed it at a loss or closed it at BE. But I managed my emotions, and because I believed in the trade. Because if I don't believe in the trade, I wouldn't take it in the first place. So, and we stayed in it. We stayed in it, and it paid off. Friday was just something else. You didn't know that I trade US 30? Oh yeah, I do. I stopped for like when was the last time we traded US 30? Wow.
Man, gotta be like 3, 4 months at least.
Yeah, I think it's been that long. So, but now I'm back at it. So my indices though in New York is either going to be gold or NAS. What the hell did I just say? Go NAS or US 30, whichever one. So you know the truth, if you haven't been at the toilet in Jordan, nice way to hold. I was still looking at the trade while I was in the restroom. That's one of the disadvantages of being a scalper or day trader, is you got to sit there and watch your trade. So you got to be able to freaking manage and control your emotions. You got to be able to do that. So
try, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only
you always had a feeling going to the restroom was a code word for going to punch the air. Man, not all the time though, not all the time. But I really felt like using the restroom though that day.
I go take it, I'm not in the begging. If I'm breaking bread, it's only with the brethren. I need to talk, cause that's where I'm heading. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass it. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. I came up from the bottom, now look at me now, they mad.
Alright, so I do like what gold is doing right now. Man, I just wish we actually did. We rejected this freaking lows and we didn't break it. We'll be in a buy right now, but we are going to wait for sales here because I still see this falling. We just gotta be patient. You took US 32 on Friday? Oh, okay, nice. You took the buys too? You took US 30 sales before NYC open? Oh yeah, that thing fell real good. No drawdowns or nothing on the sale. And lately, NASA's, no, though in New York, NASA's not been giving too much of a setup. Setup comes way later, even on Friday. Are we at 100 likes now? Did you guys give me 100 likes yet? Yeah, we still need 36 likes. You've been watching the charts as a scalper for 2 years, but you still haven't gotten over the emotional part. Fear creeps in sometimes with big candles against you. But you just gotta trust your decisions. We might have a better entry than this if gold starts to fall. If not, we're gonna keep it like this, and this will be a 40 pip stop loss. So 1 to 1 here.
Yeah, you better. Yeah, you better. Cause you want this, I want this. Everybody in this, what should have it? Stop illusions, it's in your hands. Show yourself, reveal it to them. Yeah, you better. Take the time to recognize it. You won't leave me even if you tried it. You're the artist, I'm the mess and happily perform the new in your hands.
Like that for you. Hey. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question.
For the challenge, you're gonna have to use 0.25, guys, because this stop loss is 40 pips.
Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Yeah. Tell me what you want, I like that too, baby. Treat my hoes like the plugins on this damn song. I cracked them all. You know I love it when you got that ass bouncing on me like a
basketball, baby, you could have it all. Only title that I give you is this wave that I'm on, yeah. Saying that she love me, so I'm playing along. Look in her direction, now she taking it all. And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' buzz it over real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert.
Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk.
GJ and Gold, they have nothing to do with each other.
I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Yeah, I like that. I do. Grabbing on your left cheek with my right hand, tight pants, got me feeling the type of way. If you want it, I could give it to you all day.
Name a time and a place, but I pull up, yeah. Dinner for the day, we could cook up, yeah. Take you down in the kitchen right after you hit the road. I swear I'm still thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' buzz it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert.
Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, yeah, you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, no question. I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Ay, tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Ay, yeah, I like that. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Tony Hawk.
For real one.
I'ma drop it in like Bird.
Good morning, Elia.
Honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making
Where's my hand sweating?
under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer. It was a fireball summer. And he said, don't you forget me when I'm gone.
No, I don't use self-stop, buy stop. I don't, pretty much don't use pending orders. I get in when I want to get in. If I used a buy stop, a sell stop here, I probably would have been activated. Not probably, definitely would have been. Which should have been the spread.
Love me all summer, making discovers under your
All right, guys, we need 23 more likes to get 100. Oh, and those of you asking for my one-on-one session, I have it open up again, so you can actually get one-on-one session with me if you're interested in that. It's back up. I had closed it initially, but it's opened up again. So let's see if we can get a sale here and go. Hey Terry, how you been? I haven't seen you on Zoom in a while. You good?
I took a break.
Oh, okay. Right. What happened?
Just coming back.
Any reason behind is the reason trading related?
That too. This is since anchor trade went down.
Oh,
I just kind of stepped back. I went on vacation also.
oh, okay.
So yeah, I went to Jamaica.
Oh, nice. You went back home.
Yeah, I came back. Came back last week and
Nice.
I just stayed over the market for another week. Christmas, I got greedy. I blew some money trading.
Mm.
I said to myself, hey, just cleanse your mind. So I cleansed my mind. I stayed out a little bit. Every time you do something stupid in this thing, sometimes it's best to just step back for a little while and refocus and then return. So that's what I did. But I'm back again. But I finished signing up now with a new broker because I went with forex.com. I want to realize though that they don't trade gold.
Nope.
Oh my god. So I'm kind of stuck again. So I think under does gold, right?
I don't know. I don't know actually.
So who are you with?
Let me see. I'm with OX Securities. Hold on, the link is in the description on YouTube. For this too. Yeah.
I need a new broker because
Go on YouTube. It's there. And this broker is regulated.
regulated
Yep.
and trades gold.
Uh-huh. Go to WikiFX and search for this broker. You see that it's regulated.
So nothing to worry about after this.
Mm-hmm.
So you say go to what's his name? Repeat that name. I just woke up. You told me like I didn't hear.
OX Securities. I'll just go on YouTube. I have the link in the description of this stream.
Okay. Securities. It takes about a day to get signed up, eh?
A day? No.
Because
they're very quick.
Forex.com took about 2 days.
Oh yeah.
Now they had to do checks and all sorts of balances. So
Yeah.
they're kind of slow.
Nah. This is fast.
What about withdrawals? and uploading your money. Are they
Uh,
prompt?
Depositing is quick, but I haven't withdraw yet. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't done that yet because I didn't put all my money in there.
I was trying to trade I could trade. Sorry, I could trade that had a live platform, but it was giving all sorts of problems because I remember setting stop loss and the trade just kept running. You know, because I'm trading on my iPhone, so kind of it messed me up.
Like
I remember on two occasions my stop loss was not honored. You know, and the trade just kept running.
Oh yeah, that has happened to me before with ankle trade.
Yeah, it happened about 3 times, and I remember even talking to them about it, and nothing was done. So that helped to mess me up during the Christmas period. So I just stepped back.
Even this 1K challenge we're doing, I'm using this new broker. That's the one I'm using for that too. Their spread is good as well.
Yeah, Hanko messed me up. So I wouldn't recommend them to anybody right now because they're going through some sort of transition. They said that they were supposed to give me a platform for iPhone because I trade on my phone. And they never really had one, but they had some kind of live trading. But after if you're trading and you close this and you close the screen, in the background, your settings are not respected. You know, that's where the problem happens. Every time you close the screen, let's say you set a trade and you set your take profit and your stop loss, it is not respected. You know, so
Yeah, their new trading platform is still a work in process. Still new.
yeah,
It's gonna have a lot of issues.
Act Trader
Mm-hmm.
live, you know, so that messed me up, man. I remember one night I was tired, but I saw a trade. I took the trade and I set a stop loss. It went up in my direction, but you know, I was tired, so I fell asleep. But I set the stop loss. And the thing went right past my stop loss. And just kept going. And I lost heavily.
Oh man.
You know, the stop loss, the market went the opposite way.
I'm in the cell, guys. I'm in the cell.
Oh yeah, I can't go. In the cells. But on a positive note, I have watched all the webinar videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I finished watching them last night actually.
Mm,
Yeah, so I know what is happening.
cool.
I'm the one that you love, grace from above. Give me back my life, you brought me out of the mud. Yes, you're the one, grace from above. Give me back my life, you brought me out. Yes, I'm the one that you love, grace from above. Give me back my life.
Alright, I need to. It's time for some ganja. It's ganja time.
I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. Can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from me.
At the time we get to 2020.29, we'll have our 15 pips.
Heart turned cold, lost control. Looking at this beautiful distraction. Fell in love with a fatal attraction. I really let my guard
How does my faith come together with what? Poisoning myself with smoking? Man, you've been brainwashed. This was created by the man above. How am I poisoning myself with it? Explain to me, please. It's a plant. This thing is older than me. How am I poisoning myself?
Hey, don't you know the 11th commandment? Thou shalt not smoke weed. Sure.
Whose
No,
commandment
is that
was-
commandment number 12?
Whose commandment was that?
I don't know.
There we go.
Beautiful.
And I'm out. I am out. If you're still in, move your stops to BE. And if you want to wait for this one-on-one, you can wait for it. I'm out. I got what I wanted. I got 18 pips from this, and I'm out. If you took this trade, spam W's in the chat. Let's go. Spam W's. And I hope you guys will be willing to give me 100 likes now, since you didn't want to give it to me before. I hope you give it to me now.
You should get it.
$448 profit. Nice. Congratulations to you. Damn. It still didn't give me 100 likes. We at 94. Damn. What else do I have to do for me to get 100 likes? You were cooking for the kids and only you just got in? What? Is that what you're saying, Alex? Man, if your entry is late, just don't bother getting in. I mean, there's always gonna be another setup.
Called FOMO.
Huh?
That's called FOMO.
Yeah, pretty much.
Openness and conversation and vulnerability. Those are the things that make me feel.
Oh, thank you, Elkai. That means a lot. So even though I'm out of this trade, I want to see if we're gonna smash this 1-to-1. I'm out at 18 pips. You still in, Wall? Zoom, are you guys still in? Or are you out?
I got 20% left.
What happened? You don't close out anymore. You're testing this way out right now?
Oh, I'm trying to like, depending on the setup, whether or not I can get more. So if this setup right here, I'm thinking we're going down. So I want to hold just a little bit to see what happens.
So the ones that I decided to leave to run is the gaps setup. Is the gap setup. So if we had entry below this low, then based off of how we look, for example, on the 1 hour to the left, or even the 4 hour, right? 4 hour we got this gap, and then 1 hour we do as well. Then I'll take partials and let the rest run to be this 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or something. But based on where our entry is right now, I wouldn't leave this to run.
Okay.
I mean, it could actually continue to fall. I'm just saying that it's not, really clean for me to be like, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna, let the rest run. It's not really clean compared to when after we break this low compared to that. So
Yeah, that makes sense too.
What's the 1K account right now? We almost at 1100. What are you at? Well, with the 1K challenge.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't take it?
1,184.7.
What the hell? Wait a minute. How are you above me? What's going on here?
Oh, I didn't take any losses on that thing. Oh, I took one loss, but it was really small.
Huh.
That day, that London trade, I took like a 10 pip loss, but you guys took like a 30 or something like that.
Oh, okay. All right, makes sense. Because I'm only at like 1,095.
Okay.
After this trade. Yeah, pretty much killed a bit. But whatever happens, this is still going to fall. We are going to break this low. We should break this low. It's just not the best setup to try, try to leave a runner. Some setups you just gotta close full, and some just gotta wait to see if it's gonna continue.
Oh, it's gonna get me.
Yep. You see, it's playing too many games. Fake out sellers, fake out buyers here, and Shit, it's trying to do it again. Funny thing is, we've not taken any loss on stream so far.
You are all I needed back then, now I'm buzzing. Yeah, she said I done changed. I said you to stay the same. Swear she used to have a plan, but now she doesn't. Them excuses got me jaded. I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I done changed. I said you to stay the same, baby. You want it in place, yeah. I was hoping you sent a text.
Oh, damn, stopped out. Damn, if you were still holding this, damn, it just stopped you guys out. So good.
Not yet.
Not yet. Well, are you?
Nope, I'm still in it.
Huh. You must have a higher entry then.
Oh no, I just took two entries, and one entry was exactly there, and one entry was just slightly higher because it pulled back a little bit.
Oh. You out at B? Did you take partials, Janice?
Them excuses got me jaded. I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I done changed. I said you to stay the same, baby. You want it in place, yeah. I stopped checking in on you. I gotta plan my career. You don't let resentment emerge.
Oh, you took 16. Nice.
Hospitality you showed me. I kept the bandages near. You let the money change you. I didn't coin you for the type to bite my hand and handle the spear. I'm only trusting the man in the mirror. I got sat in the back and held back on the tears. I would judge you, but I lift it up. See your panel appears to add to your fear of being accepted. Cause I think you needed this message. If they say
But just looking at this, I'm like, damn, probably should just closed full.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, if we had gaps, yeah, I would have just taken patches or even opened two positions and close one and then let the rest, the second one run. No, take patches from the second one as well, like 80% at least, and then let the rest run to maybe 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. Because the gap setup, you have a higher chance of catching the runner.
Yeah.
But a setup like this, when it's not really clean, just, hey, you get 15, 10, 15, 20, whatever you're looking to get at least, just close. Just get out. Get what you can get and get out. Except if you want to leave the trade to run. Yeah, except if you're willing to leave the trade to run without touching it at all, until you get maybe at least a 1-to-1, then you can do that as well. It all depends on you. But if you're planning to take partials with a setup like this, just close. It's not worth it. You'll make more if you just close in full. It's just like you saying, oh, you know what? Every time I take a position, I'm looking to get a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3. Right? Forgetting that each setup is going to be different, because at the end of the day, in this industry, we are trading from zones to zones. That's what trading is. I mean, not really, but part of trading is we trading from zones to zones. So if you know that, you would understand that it is impossible for you to get even 1-to-1. You will not get that all the time. It depends on the zones. It depends on the setup. It depends on what candles are printing previously. Do we have a minor support? Do we have a major support? Are we breaking lows? Are we breaking highs? Where's the next zone at? Stuff like that. So If you know that, you understand that it's impossible for you to get a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, or 1-to-5 all the time. If you're looking to get a 1-to-5 and you looked at the next possible zone, yeah, right. You looked at the next possible zone where you might have a rejection and price reverses on you, and that zone is not 1-to-5, but it's actually 1-to-2. Then just go for the 1-to-2. Just go for the 1-to-2. I'm pretty positive maybe you guys on YouTube that trade like that just based off of just strictly risk to reward. If you go back and look at some of the losses you took, you would see that some of those losses gave you a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. So you just over there greedy looking for that 1-to-5, forgetting that there's a zone sitting somewhere that's going to prevent you from getting the 1-to-5, but you could get a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. Just get that. Just get that and you're done. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not really a fan of risk to reward, because at the end of the day, in this industry, making money is the goal. If a trader, the next trader is catching freaking say, let me think of a ridiculous amount. If a trader is catching maybe 5 times, right? 5 times what they're willing to lose, 5 out to hour, man, I don't care. The end goal is if they put both of us side by side, the end goal will be, hey, did your account grow? What's the percentage of your account growth? That's the end goal. They know it's not going to be, oh, what's your risk to reward? Nah. It's account growth. That's it. Whether it's 1%, 2, 3, 5, 10, that's what trading is all about. It's not really about, oh, I got to catch freaking 2 times my risk to reward. If I don't catch that, I'm not getting out. So alright. Ichimoku indicator for gold. Emotions, I want it all. Yeah, gold is not looking good right now. All right, YouTube. Today was a quick one, which is good on a Monday. All my links is down below in the description, and those of you asking about my one-to-one session, one-on-one mentorship session, I open it up again, and that link is down below in the description. The VIP also, where we trade live, London and New York session, that is also there. That also comes with the mentorship. All right, God bless you all for hopping on. Thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. All right, have a great day, guys. God bless you all. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys during our session.
All right. Awesome trade, quick and fast.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Welcome, guys.
up there almost daily. It's how I
Recording
dance my
stopped.
opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium